Hello everybody! On this video, we're going to talk about the differences between Shopify versus Shopify Plus. At Optimum 7, we have done thousands of platform migrations in the past 10 years. BigCommerce to Shopify, WooCommerce to Shopify, Magento to Shopify, Volusion to Shopify, 3D Cart Shift 4 Shop to Shopify. So we know the Shopify infrastructure really well and all the functionalities of both Shopify and Shopify Plus. And on this video, we will guide you in the right direction in terms of the difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus. What is the advantage of Shopify Plus? The advantages are pretty clear. You get dedicated support from Shopify. They will support you in terms of your growth, your scalability, your business requirements, your business needs. 2, you get a faster e-commerce store. You might be on a semi-dedicated or dedicated server based on how many millions of dollars you're doing on an annual basis, but these are some of the perks of Shopify Plus from a support, speed, scalability standpoint. Then you get access to more customizations. You get access to the checkout SDK where you can add trust building elements into your checkout, custom upsells into your checkout. It's all about maximizing your average order volume and maximizing the lifetime value of your customer. And with Shopify Plus, you get less limitations, which is really the key in scalability in e-commerce because you have to be able to compete. If you have any questions about Shopify or Shopify Plus, capabilities, pricing, infrastructure, comment below or contact us at optimum7.com and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.